So in this tutorial, we're going to be making some installation media for Windows. I want you to go and search for Rufus, and I want you to get, I prefer Rufus Portable, but either one works. And then I want you to search for Windows 10 ISO. We'll go to this Microsoft site, download their tool, and when we burn it, my favorite software happens to be Image Burn. And if you want to get a legit CD key on the cheap for $40 or less, I want you to go to kingwin.net, and I will make you aware right now that Proton Mail is free encrypted email, in case you're like me and you're paranoid. So we go to search for Windows. So you don't want to get the home edition that just uploads all your information to NSA servers, or at least that's guaranteed to do it. I don't know about professional. I believe you have the option to turn that off. So when you have that to your cart, make sure you get the buyer protection in case the CD key is already used. You will be entitled to get a replacement key. Anyways, enough of that. Let's make the actual media. So we're going to launch the media creation tool that we got from the Microsoft site. Okay. Just pretend to read that. All rights, and then you say to yourself, all rights reserved with no prejudice, and then you're good. Because that's how common law works. And don't do this upgrade this way. That's weird. If you're gonna burn it to do what I did with having both architectures on one disk, you're gonna need a dual layer DVD with the 8.5 gigs of space. And if you don't have any of that, you might want to, and you're going to burn it to a single layer disk, just pick one of these architectures. But I prefer, if we're going to make a flash drive, I highly recommend you do both on one. And then you don't want to use their ability to use a flash drive because you're gambling all your time to download if something goes wrong. Just use Rufus with the ISO file, get the same results. And I've already have mine downloaded, so I'm going to fire up Rufus. And then put your flash drive in there. And you want to make sure you're going to wipe the correct drive before you start. Select the image that you're going to be making bootable, and you can optionally change the label. WIN10 Pro multi, and then I would click start, but I've already got mine made. And for funsies, let us look at what our endeavors have reaped. Fire up a virtual machine. So see, you have the two options if you go with dual architecture. So yes, looks like everything's in order, and that concludes this tutorial.